Hello friends, myself Rohit. Here I'm going to show you my second experiment on database. So you can see that my schema is that the customer ID, customer name and order, then order line, product, then supply. These are all the my table. So these are all the my data set, which are the customer John Doe. This all I have to insert in my second all I have to insert in my all the table. So let's see how the question will come. Insert the above values in my corresponding table. So I have already inserted in my table. I'll show you one by one. Like select start, once you can see that so you can see that the value are already inserted. See the next another table which is this. This is order, this is customer, then order. See, order table are inserted. Then order line, see, order line are inserted. Then these are all the price, quantity I have mentioned here. Then product, you can see product are inserted. Then supplier, now I have to insert in the supplier. See, supplier table are also inserted. Now second question is I have to create now second question is first I have inserted record on inserted record 108 10 November and 1 in the order. So in my order you can see that in my order ID, order date and customer ID. So you can easily understand that 108 is the order ID, then date, then customer ID. So you can see this is the syntax for that, which is this. Insert into the order value, order ID, order date and customer ID. They enter the value for the order ID is 108, order date is 10 November 14, and then enter the value for the customer ID is 1. So one row will be inserted. So new row will be inserted, new value is this one. Now I have to delete this value, so delete from the order ID 108, then whole value will be deleted. Next question is that display the details of product whose price is greater than 100. So you can see that I will show you. Yes, select the start from product. My table name is product 302, where product quantity is greater than 100. You can see that all are above the 100, 199, 129, etc. Now what is the question? Now sort and display the details of supplier whose rating is greater than 4. So I'll show you rating is greater than 4. I already done here, but though I done here, I'll show you. Once. Yes. sort the display whose rating is 104. I'll show you one sec. Yeah, you can see the select start from supplier where rating is greater than by rating, ordered by rating. So I copied this one in my SQL. So I paste it here, and my supplier table is named 302. I will show you where rating is greater than 4. You can see that all are above or equal to 4. Next order is to sort the table descending order according to the order price. According to the order price. So according to the order price, I have to sort it. So you can see that here, this one. So I copied it here, copy, then I paste it here. You can see that. Sorry, order. My table name is order line. Order by price at descending. You can see price are all in the descending order. Highest price will be there. Then if we goes to the below, the price will be less. Then show the customer details who have ordered the table. So you can I'll show you the table who have ordered the table then. Yeah, select start from product view where the product description like table. So you can see that one row will be created, one row will be selected. So this one, product line ID, then product quantity, etc. Then another thing is, then how many customers have the name ends with letter A. So see that in my select customer name and select. I'll show you customer. Select this one. So I copied it here and show you how it runs. So you can see that, but my customer table name is 302. Remember it, 302. Right? Sorry, I think I named it here. Here also I have to make the change. See, or though there is no name which ends with A, so it will show the count is 0. Now display the list the customer who have letter in their name. So same. So this one, like only I have to make the change like A, Y, then, but there is no need to find the count. So I remove this count statement here. So now you can see that only Henry has the Y in between his name. Then I have to show the customer whose name start with J. So same thing, only I have to remove this and put it J. You can see this John Doe, but I give the name as I give the name as capital. If the name will be in the capital, we have to again use J. You can see Jojo. So this is the value. Then list the names of the customer ordered by quantity. Ordered by quantity is between. So in between is, yeah, this is the syntax for that. Select the start from order quantity, where order quantity in between 10 or 15. You can see that. But my keep remember my table name is 302, where order quantity is and ordered, I think. So let's start from order quantity. Sorry, so first I will check that whether any problem is there or not. So select start order sorry. So order quantity is ordered to this tree. And why it is ordered? Oh sorry, order line. I told you order line. So you can see 10 to 15 all the orders are coming. Next question, what is that? Increase the quantity supplied by 2% whose rating greater than 4. So though I already did that, so if I increased again, it will be increased again by 0.2%. So I show you the syntax here. Yeah, so update supplier set order ID quantity where rating is greater than 4. Okay, then display the name of the customer in alphabetical order. So this one I show you in alphabetical order, right? So I can do that. Select customer, select customer name from customer 302 order by customer name. You can see that though these are all the caps, so J will be first, then R, and these are all the not caps, so H will be the first, then J. Then after that, what will be my question? It is the find the number order placed on 10 October 2040. So I'll show you. Order date is so I have to make some changes. Select count order ID order. You can see there is no oh sorry, I have to use so 10 October, though there is no order placed in this one, so no order placed in 2014, so no row will be selected. Otherwise it will show some value. Then what would be the question? Show the order detail customer ID whose product ID is 1000. So I'll show you that. In the above I already did that. So yeah, sorry, no. So let's start from order line where product ID is 1000. You can see that 1000. Only one row will be selected. This product is 1000. So this is my second experiment. Thank you for watching.